Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus surface area and volume 13th chapter exercise 13.4. Already 6 sums I have completed. In this class, I will be doing the remaining sums in the exercise. 7th sum is the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Okay, so here we will take the diameter of the earth. Diameter of the earth is equal to 2r. When it is connected to radius, we will write the diameter as 2r. So, radius of the earth will be, radius of the earth will be 2r by 2, that is equal to r. This is the radius of the earth. Now, diameter of the moon. In the question it is given, diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So, diameter of the moon is equal to 1/4 of the diameter, 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So it is given like this. Okay, so this is equal to 1/4 into diameter of the earth is what? 2r, 2r. So this is equal to, when we simplify this, we will get r by 2. So this is the diameter of the moon. So diameter of the earth is 2r and diameter of the moon is r by 2. So if the diameter of the moon is r by 2, so what will be the radius? Radius of the moon, radius of the moon is equal to r by 2. That is diameter by 2. So what is the diameter? Diameter is r by 2 by 2. So that is equal to r by 4. So we will get the radius of the moon as r by 4. Radius of the earth is r and radius of the moon is r by 4. Okay, now we are asked to find the ratio of their surface areas. So ratio of surface areas is equal to surface area of moon, surface area of moon divided by surface area of the earth. Surface area of the moon divided by surface area of the earth. So what is the formula for surface area? Surface area is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square. So in this 4 pi will get cancelled. Okay. So what is the radius of the moon? So radius of the moon is r by 4. Radius of the moon is r by 4 whole square divided by earth is, radius of the earth is r. So it is r square. So now if we simplify this, we will get r squared by 4 squared is 16. So 16 into r squared. We will get like this. So here r squared and r squared will get cancelled. We will get 1 by 16. So ratio of the surface area of moon to earth is 1:16. So the answer is 1:16. This is the answer. Okay. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 cm thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So a hemispherical bowl is there. For that, the thickness is given as 0.25 cm. 0.25 cm. This is the thickness. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. So inner radius is given as So this is given as 5 centimeter. We are asked to find the outer surface area of the ball. Okay, so inner radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Thickness is equal to 0.25 centimeter. Therefore, outer radius, if we add this thickness and this 5 centimeter, we will get the outer radius. So, outer radius is equal to 5 plus 0.25, that is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Okay, so this is the outer radius. Now we are asked to find the outer curved surface area. So CSA, curved surface area of the hemispherical bowl is 2 pi r squared. So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5.25 into 5.25. Okay, so this has to be simplified. 525 divided by 7. So 7 sevens are 49. Then 35, 7 5s are 35. So this is 5.25. So we will get this as, when we cancel this, 0.75 we will get. So when we multiply all these things, we will get the outer curved surface area of the hemispherical bowl. So 2 into 22 is 44 into 0.75 into 5.25. So when we multiply this, we will get the answer. So 44 into 75. So 5 4s are 20, 22, 7 4s are 28 to 30. So 8, 10, 3, 3,300. That is 33. 0.75 and 44 is 33 we will get. So 525 into 33. So 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 5 3s are 15. So 1575. So 5, 12, 13, 5, 6, 7. So 17325. So it is 5.25. So 173.25. So 173.25 centimeter square. So this is the outer curved surface area of the ball. Ninth sum is a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. So the radius of the sphere is given as r. Find the surface area of the sphere. So we are asked to find the surface area of the sphere, curved surface area of the cylinder, CSA of the cylinder, and ratio of areas obtained in 1 and 2. So these are the three things we are asked to find. So a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. So this is the radius. So the height of the cylinder will be 2 times of this r. This is r and this one is also r. So height of the cylinder will be 2 times r. That is the height of the cylinder. Okay. So radius of the sphere. Radius of sphere is equal to r. This is given. Radius of the sphere is equal to r. So radius of cylinder will also be the same thing. Radius of cylinder is equal to r. Then height of the cylinder is equal to, as I told you, it is 2r. 2r is the height of the cylinder. Okay. So with the given information, we found all these things. Now we will find the surface area of the sphere. So surface area of the sphere is equal to, the formula is 4 pi r square. So this is 4 into 22 by 7 into surface area of the sphere is r squared. So no need to substitute this pi also. We will keep it as 4 pi r square. That's all. Since the value is not given, we are asked to find the surface area of the sphere. So it will be 4 pi r squared is equal to 4 pi r squared. Then next one is curved surface area of the cylinder. CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. This is the curved surface area of the cylinder. So in this one, 2 pi r will be the same thing. Radius of the cylinder and the sphere will be same. Height will be 2r. Height of the cylinder is 2r. So when we simplify this, we'll get 4 pi r squared. So 2 2's are 4. Pi r into r is r squared. So this is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now the third one is ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. So what is the area we got for the surface area of the sphere? 4 pi r squared. So ratio is equal to 4 pi r squared is for the surface area of the sphere, and curved surface area of the cylinder is also 4 pi r squared. So ratio is equal to 4 pi r squared divided by 4 pi r squared. So that is equal to 1 by 1. So we'll say that ratio is 1:1. So this is the answer. Okay. So with this, I am completing this exercise 13.4, and today's class also completed. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.